Yeah, first drop can be here, pointed at the house.
He just makes it sound so easy.
I know, second drop right here.
Oh, so second one. Hey, two of them right there.
Big, huge, just like Luther.
Yeah.
Big cooling basin right here.
Yeah.
We got all the space. It's not like Campus where we didn't have much space. We got all the space in the world here. Big cooling area, and then freaking. What is up, guys? Christopher Yaks here, Aquascapes of Michiana. Well, good morning. It is about 7 o'clock, the day of the build, and Craig's already here in the excavator, getting stuff ready. We're taking the sod, we're getting it out of here. That way we can get to work on this thing. So, got a nice, decent amount of backfill already for us. So that's where that 50-foot pondless waterfall is going to be going. Basin. We did get a little bit of rain here last night, but it looks like it wasn't enough to destroy anything or wash anything out. So we are going to get busy. All right, everybody. So what we're going to go ahead and do is, yesterday we had a time-lapse video up here up top, but now that we're actually going to be building with the basin, so what we're going to do is we're actually going to put it up in the corn dryer. So I'm going to go ahead and try not to fall through the old wood boards with my oversizedness, let's put it that way. And we're gonna set the tripod up there and kind of point it down, so that way you guys get a whole nice time-lapse video of everything being worked on.
We will get you falling through.
Yeah, if not, you will get me falling through to break my leg. So yeah, keep it rolling. Keep it rolling. Old farm people. Got to figure out how they used to do it back in the 1800s here. Broke. All right, let's set this bad boy up. yard. Well, hey, we're all moved into the new shop, to the new place, to the new property, to the new location, the new headquarters, you know, whatever you want to call it. Got everything organized so far, and then right now we're working on putting in our first company display water features. We've got displays all over northern Indiana and southern Michigan around here, but now it is actually time, since we are in our forever location, to start putting features and displays in at our home base. So that way my guys get to enjoy it after a long, hard day. They get to chill out next to it and kind of relax for a little bit. My family gets to interact with it and play in it, and you know, my kids get to do all that kind of stuff the way that all kids should do, so that way we can reintroduce kids to nature. That's really our biggest mission here at Aquascapes in Michiana, is to get people back into nature.
everybody. Thanks for watching our vlog here on Aquascapes of Michiana. If you like that, please subscribe and hit that little bell down there at the bottom so you guys get notifications on our next one, all right? See you guys later. Have a good one.